Siyempre, thank you Hindi ko na sasabihin kung bakit ako nag-thank you sa'yo. O, baka ma-insecure sila. Hindi mo, basta, may naalala siya from, na-touch ako sa message, naalala mo talaga from the first press con, talaga tinupad mo, okay? Pero eto, Bad Genius, the series for Viva One, pero kami happy kami sa'yo. Alam namin kung gaano ka magaling kasi hindi ka naman Atasha Mula, kundi ka magaling din katulad ng parents mo, Aga and Sherlyn. Pero Atasha, syempre ang kambal mo, si Andres, namamayagpag ang kanyang Viva One series din na ang mutya ng Section E, milyones talaga ang mga views. Ang lakas-lakas, grabe. Lalong lumakas ang Viva One because of that series also. So, ngayon dito sa Bad Genius, hindi ko ba na-pressure or na-excite kang sundan ng mga yapak ng kambal mo?
I'm very excited. Of course, I'm nervous kasi ito po yung first lead na project. Pero in terms of the work itself, when I first heard about it, I already knew that accepting it, I'm going to give my 100%. Wala po akong expectation kung what the result's gonna be. But as long as I can promise myself that I give my 100%, then I'll be super, super happy with that.
Yeah. Pero yun, alam ko, pinagandaan nyo na may mga ganap na kayo sa Viva about this, no? Pero syempre ito, bukod sa, syempre ang susundan nyo is yung Mucha ng Section E, and yung original neto, original movie, talagang super blockbuster. Kaya nga, maraming spin-off, di ba? For the cast na rin, and Derek, yun nga, gaano kayo ka-excited, yun, tapos, kasi yung original nga, di ba, grabe, yung pita.
Sige, sino gusto magsimula? From this end, from Gab.
Hello po. First of all, really grateful and blessed na makasama sa project after po nung ginawa namin na Chasing in the Wild na follow-up po nung Bad Genius. And when I saw the series, it's such a good series and the movie. So I'm just really excited to shoot this, and ibang-iba po kasi ito sa character ko nung last na ginawa ko. So I'm really excited to showcase what we have.
Siyempre naman po, like, I'm super excited. In terms of pressure, I mean, we all know that this is such an internationally well-loved film and series. And so, just knowing that, we all feel super grateful that we were trusted with the responsibility for these roles. And we're just excited to show everyone the whole story and our characters from a new perspective, a Filipino perspective. So, yeah.
Jairus?
Siyempre sobrang excited since it's a different story na madalas natin napapanood sa TV or sa series. And very much excited kasi it's a different material for me. Kaya masaya. And working with Tash, with Haika pa rin, exciting kasi we'll see kung ano yung may bibigay namin na best namin para sa series na ito.
Syempre excited, sobra, Tito Jun. To be honest, dito, ang daming preparations na ginawa eh. I mean, nung unang inalok sa akin yung project, hindi rin ako kagad na-decide tanggapin siya. Parang pinag-isipan ko muna kasi ang taas ng expectation dun sa buong project. So parang sabi ko nga parang, it's a different material from what I usually do. And then, so parang, paano mo siya babaguhin? Kasi di ba yan ang main problem natin kapag adaptation eh. I mean, ang taas ng expectations, and then kailangan mo tapatan yung expectations, and then ano pagkakaiba ng project na to sa dito sa mga nagawa na before, how you're going to change it. And ang dami preparations na ginawa ng staff, to be honest, from each department, from the production design, from their costumes, and then the cinematography, even the scoring and the music. And then also, I remember parang, kayo guys may mga preparations kayo eh. Parang hindi ako nagkakamali, guys done series of workshops. Kasi parang to prepare lang sila para sa buong material. Yun.
So just wanting to add to that, we're all very, very grateful because even as actors, we all see the effort that the team has put into making this such an incredible story. And they really put a lot of effort paying attention